picture, reading the characters, make sentences and tell about the characters, what they are doing in the picture. See, in this picture you can see a mango tree, a coconut tree, an aeroplane, a coconut water seller, a father, a son, a girl, grass. So the first sentence which can be made in it is, there is a mango tree in the picture. There are two birds singing in the sky. There is a coconut tree. An aeroplane is passing by in the sky. The girl is throwing stone on the mango tree to pick up mangoes. The father bought a coconut water for his son.